What's up, Luna Nation? Welcome. Oh, you guys are too zoomed in. What's up, Luna Nation? Welcome back to the channel, man. This is your boy Lou. Appreciate the love and support for coming back to the channel. Anyways, guys, let's go get this motherfucking channel rocking. Let's go. I'm swearing too much, man. Let's go get this day started. Welcome to the vlog, man. Hey, so I'm here. I don't know what the fuck this place is that Megan decided to come. It's called Tracks. I guess it's a lounge, but it's a trippy little joint. Like, check this shit out. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's Tracks right there. So that's a lounge. That's a saloon. I think that's an apartment. Huh. If you guys don't think that's sus, let me know. But let's go try these motherfucking wings.
Well, it's just me waiting here. So.
Change the plans. We're gonna DJ Doug out right now. Chug it.
Local brewery, delicious.
Yeah. Kyle's sore stomach sucks, so he ain't drinking. He probably just has to poop.
Get it?
You're definitely gonna get it.
You. Girl.
Ooh. Slap it, slap. Oh, look at that juice just ran out your hand.
The heck?
She got some chicken nuggets.
Rude.
We could have just went to McDonald's and got chicken nuggets.
They don't have garlic parmesan.
So dinner was good. Megs.
Cold.
Chilly as fuck. So I decided to go buy a paintball gun. I'm gonna try to find a low, like, you know, air pressure gun. I don't want to shoot my friends so heavy, but they're gonna get shot tonight for the vlog.
I'm not.
So it's all gonna happen. Just have fun with it. Let's see where it goes. I might give them $20 within the week. I'll shoot them. I don't know. I might sneak in their house or something and shoot them. That'd be some shit. You imagine if I just get
If you walk me up with a fucking paintball gun.
I'll see you guys at Dick's. Made it to Dick's. Hopefully find this paintball gun. Yep. Are you good with history, Kyle?
What?
I got an idea for this paintball gun now.
What?
We're gonna play a trivia game.
Oh, God.
Fun. So it's a no-go. They don't have a paintball gun here. Damn it.
Get your rain boots. Get your rain boots for drowning in this pussy.
Fuck, I'm so pissed. That would have been a dope idea to do. So guys, it was a bust. So mad. No paintball gun. But
Yeah, no, Lou had his little heart set on a paintball gun, but they didn't have one, so.
I'm gonna continue the search of a paintball gun tomorrow.
But luckily they don't have one, so.
And we're gonna get one. Who's that?
Brent.
Oh, don't tell him. I'm gonna surprise him in the middle of the night with one watch. See, I kind of want to get that. That goes right here.
You should.
So yeah.
But I just got sandals, so it's fine. Yeah. Oh, it's making me nervous.
Damn it! You see, that's nice. Taking shots with me.
Just you this round.
This
round.
So you could either take none or all.
I'm taking one. I'm taking one, and then the rest of y'all can take the other two.
I've dived down before.
Yeah.
Oh, so now we take one X out and we put the check mark
No,
back
I
in?
think we keep all the. Everybody goes.
I agree with Megan. He takes all of them.
No.
Not you. I'm saying we do it again.
Oh, fuck.
This is the bad one. This is the bad one. That is fucking semen in there. This is.
Why is it shut?
No.
Wait, no, we need a close up again.
Ew.
Wait, let me see through the glass. Turn it.
That looks like
Turn
the
your
diarrhea that's going on my calzone.
Olive oil, hummus.
Oh my god, are those fucking peas?
No, I don't.
Sprinkles, it looks like the diarrhea that's in my calzone.
Oh, Jesus.
With one
You remember you
tablespoon
love us.
of it. one shot.
So that question that I hate about people right now.
Yeah, what do you hate about this room?
Fuck you, bitches.
What do you hate about people in this
Let's go.
room?
That's what I get on my calzone. So at least I have
Abajo!
Right there.
I got bread.
Al Centro! Al Centro! First.
Comment, like, subscribe.
Yeah. Abajo! Al Centro!
Oh no. Oh no.
Primo.
Oh no.
Abajo!
Oh God, you gotta go. Zoom, Megan, zoom.
I don't know how to do
Pinch
that.
your fingers. I don't know. Push it right. I don't know. How do you
Oh, I just put gross stuff on.
I can't believe you were gonna hold the bucket.
I know, like here, like a splash guard, like a fucking.
It tasted like ranch.
Well, you did it.
You were the most deserving of
I
that
think-
for sure.
It wasn't
did it.
bad. I think what fucked me up was the olive oil.
Well, I told you not to do that.
You put worse in your mouth.
Ooh, bright. What's up? Good morning, dudes. What's up? Morning, YouTube, whatever. Yeah, yesterday was an intense day. It wasn't the best video, but it was fun. But yeah, we're gonna go pick up Megan again. We're about to go get some food. Pretty hungry. Look at that. It's chilly out here, but I'm pretty starving. Just got back from the gym. Excited. Like I said today, we're gonna go pick up a paintball gun because it's gonna happen. All right. So yeah, the plan is go get a paintball gun, go get some food. Maybe I'll go get my nose pierced for the vlog. Let's do it. Paintball gun time. They better have it here, Megs. We better shoot them up. Hopefully I have a paintball gun here.
Not it.
Because if somebody fucks me, I'm gonna open that paintball and shoot him. Alright, they have a lot of airsoft. But I don't want to leave the marks in y'all asses. Those hurt. I know that's for sure. So when they had ones, I went to like, you know how they usually have like yard sales, but like a flea market type.
Oh yeah.
I went and bought a peller type of gun that had like a rifle that you put the little metal beads in it. And we were shooting at cops when I was in Chicago when I was younger. They had a good idea. So found it. You want one? Like, you want one?
If you're shooting me, it seems fair.
No, I wouldn't. That's how I do it. I'll fill it up in I'll put the names in a bowl. And if it goes to you, I'll be like, Tracy, open the door, I'm on my way. If not, you're getting shot too, bitch. And if it's Josh, I'll hit up Mitch. I'm gonna open the door, Mitch, because I'm coming.
Attractive, so her.
Fuck them, we got monies. We got Montes. Oh, shit.
Those are awful. 45 seconds.
Okay, that's fucking annoying.
Who? Why? Just why?
That's awesome. Oh, my nipple! That felt good. All right, figure it out. Holla at your boy. All right, so we're about to head into a homie Josh and Mitch's house. Hopefully they're there, and we're gonna bring in the door, and I'm gonna shoot him with the paintball gun. Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Welcome to the vlog, bitch. This is it. We're going intense this time. Let's go.
Why is it so cold?
You need your ass cheek warm? There you go.
Oh, you're so sweet.
You know, it's on. We're here. Josh,
I'm panicking.
I'm sorry, boo. You about to get shot. Megan's gonna take the camcorder.
Why'd you aim it at my dick? But this is, you're just holding it like, yeah, but it's Where's the bitch at? He's kind of sick.
Ew.
Come on.
Thank you, man.
Hi, Mitch.
I'm still asleep. I was so asleep.
Oh. Mitchy poo.
Alright, so we ended up scaring Josh. I didn't want to shoot him with a paintball gun. I felt bad.
Gotta ease him into it.
Like, I feel like I gotta ease everybody into this. But Tim, Brett, I'm gonna shoot you. If your dogs jump in, I'm gonna shoot them too.
Not the dogs.
Fuck your dogs. Now we're at Brent's house. We're gonna go scare him with the paintball gun. Ready, Mace?
Let's go.
Move, Atticus. Hi, Brent. You ready?
For what? Exciting day.
Look.
Oh, fuck. Oh, God. I'm scared. Oh, fuck.
The front seat.
So, that's it for the vlog. Megan, thanks for coming with me today.
You're welcome.
Expect more paintballs. Good coming tomorrow. Next weekend. But there you go. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I gotta shoot the gun now. Vaya con Dios.